Hey guys, so I got a package today from Svaha and I'm gonna do a sort of unboxing because I keep saying I'm gonna do a fashion show with all of my different dresses that I get from Svaha. If you don't know, SvahaUSA.com they're kind of like a clothing company to start with, and they have a lot of really cool outfits for teachers, and I've been a biology professor for the last 11 years, so I really love all of the different dresses they have for like science teachers and such. And one of these days I'm gonna create a video doing just a fashion show of all of my different like Miss Frizzly-esque dresses. But even if you teach like art or music or reading or math or anything, they have really cute designs for just dresses and clothing and all sorts of stuff. So I don't know, they got advertised to me on my Facebook, and I have bought, you know, just like I would buy like a dress for myself for the semester to kind of splurge and have something cute to wear to class. But they had like a big end of the school year sale sort of thing that happened, and they had a whole bunch of stuff on sale, and they sent me an email about it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and dive in and get a bunch of different stuff. And then I'm gonna drop some of it. So the first thing is this belt, and it's a Botanist Belt. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I only have one belt from them so far, so I bought a couple of belts from them because I need more belts. My dresses are super cute and they don't have like a waistband necessarily, and some of them really just need a waistband. And I love these like wide belts that are stretchy elastic, and it is good quality elastic. The one I've had has lasted me for like a while. Oh my gosh, I've had it forever. So here's the little clip. Okay, so this side goes here underneath like so, and then this side has to clip over like that. And they call this the Botanist Belt because it's got the flowers on it. It's really cute. And I got a red one just because I have a lot of dresses that have like a red in them, like a red accent or something. So I feel like this would go with multiple of my different dresses that I already have. I am all about getting accessories that will go with anything that I already have, because then everything can go together. And then this is the other belt that I got. This one I've actually had my eye on for quite a while, and I just never ordered it because I'm a poor teacher, honestly. This one is, it's a DNA double helix belt, and they have their own sizing system. So you can see it looks kind of like a double helix. Not exactly, it's just wound leather, but I really like that they kind of sold it as that. And I have a lot of dresses, again, that have this like blue in them, so I figured this navy blue will go with a lot of them. They also have cute little like pins and jewelry and stuff. I have this one necklace from them that I wear all the time, and I always get compliments on it from my students. It's got the phases of the moon on it, and I love wearing it. I'll have to show that to you guys sometime too. Whenever I do my dress fashion show, I will wear that in one of them. They did a big time women in science thing, and this is Rosalind Franklin. If you took my biology class, doesn't matter if you took it when you were in high school or if you took my college class, I love Rosalind Franklin. I think she was cheated. And so whenever I saw this pin with Rosalind Franklin and her microscope and her X-ray crystallography, I was just like, that's got to go to my pin collection. For those of you who don't know, if you haven't been watching our channel, I'm going to be having a baby in September. So I am really interested in like baby stuff a lot lately, and I told myself I wouldn't get this way, but I mean, how can you not? How can you not be crazy about baby stuff whenever you're about to have a baby? So there was this book set, and also if you don't know, I'm bilingual. Eu falo português, and I speak Portuguese, and there was this book set that was really cute that was like for bilingual babies for different languages. So this one says Namaste India, and then this is actually what caught my eye initially. It's Hola Brasil, and then Good Day Australia. I can't even do an Australian accent. My Australian accent sounds Brazilian, I've been told. Bonjour Français. Bonjour France. And then Ni Hao China. So these books are like, they're cardboard books, so they're like good for babies, and they're got some like different cultural stuff in them so that I can, you know, baby can be exposed to different cultural things. And that's one of my hopes, is that that I can expose my baby to lots of different cultures and they don't get like this single-mindedness that sometimes happens. And even though I didn't need another dress, like I said, I really like to splurge and buy myself something nice once in a while, and all of this stuff was on sale. So, and I also had like a coupon code and I used that too. So I was able to afford to do this, which I wouldn't have otherwise. I ended up buying this dress, which is a short sleeve dress. So here's the top of it, but it's Jackson Pollock. So the bottom part, the actual skirt, is a Jackson Pollock painting. I'm very excited to, I don't think this is gonna fit me right now because I'm like pregnant and rather large, but I will, like I said, I'm gonna do a Svaha dress fashion show for you guys one of these days, and it will be super fun and we'll just have a good time with it. And you can see some of the cute fashions that Svaha has for anybody really. Like I feel like it's been focused on teachers, but because I'm a teacher, but like if you love Jackson Pollock, if you love color guard and you know much about the history of color guard, I'm just gonna say the Jackson Pollock show. If you haven't seen the Jackson Pollock Winter Guard show, go watch it. I will put a link in the description. It's incredible. And it really shaped a lot of the rules and things we have for Winter Guard nowadays. So Winter Guard history lesson, there you go. And I'm going to put all this stuff away now. And like I said, there will be at some point in the future a wonderful Svaha fashion show just for you guys. So stay tuned. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel if you don't already. There's gonna be more product reviews, and of course it's summer, so I have a lot more time to be able to give you guys some content, and I'm gonna really try to put out a lot of content before the baby gets here. Don't forget to share this with everyone on your team because color guard is so much more fun when you get to do it on a team.